Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, welcome to this video. Today we are talking about cross signal robot. This robot used for all brokers like pocket option, IQ option and binder option. As you know, the last video we tested him for IQ option. Now we test it with pocket option. Please, if you are not our subscribers, please subscribe to this channel, like the video, leave your comments. You can, if you need this robot, you can download from link description. Watch the video till the end because we make it 2x faster. If you need this robot, link in description. Also, you can contact us our WhatsApp number or Telegram channel. Please, if you are not our in our Telegram channel, join to get free stuff like robotics, scripts. Also, we sell digital products like PHP script or codes, any code, any documents. You can check in our website market.boko.ink. It is in description link. Link is in description. If you need, you can visit to get all these products. As you can see, the trade has ended. Our price come to 502. Please subscribe the channel, like this video. If you need the product, link in description.